another video, and thank you so much for tuning in to today's wig video. So before we get started, big shout out to World New Hair for sponsoring today's video. So quick details or quick rundown on this wig. This is a 24-inch natural blonde skunk stripe 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. Be sure to check out that description bar because of course you'll be able to get more information there. So as you can see, I have pretty much started with my base, which is going to be a bust down middle part, of course. Now on this particular install, I'm not going to be doing any baby hairs. I'm just going to be doing a simple clean look, especially when it comes to the hairline. So I did use my I think it's called Eden. I could be so wrong on that spray, y'all. But basically, I love this spray. I'm going to leave it in the description bar. So I like to spray the holding spray directly on my hairline, and it definitely helps with securing the lace. So here I am just going to go ahead and cut the lace off, of course, and just going in a zigzag motion. Now, as you can see, this wig does come with a blonde strip on both sides of the wig. Now, because this wig does come with the blonde strip, you can definitely go in and add color on top of that blonde and get a completely different look. So I did go in and try to bleach the knots on this wig, but it wasn't really much of a success. About 2 inches of this wig did come with pre-bleached knots, and I did try to bleach a little bit more of the lace on this wig, but it really wasn't lifting like that. But anyways, I got it to do what I needed it to do in order to get the part to look decent. So again, of course, I'm going to do a bust down middle part, and I am going to add some curls to my hair. So I'm going to curl my hair and then I'll be back. Ooh, child, this 24-inch is just doing way too much, girl. So I went in and cut some of the length off, girl, because it was just too much hair, and my hair really wasn't falling the way I wanted it to fall, even though I was cutting so many layers. The density on this wig is 210%, and I definitely see it and feel it in this wig, so that's why I had to take some of the length and hair out for this wig to try to achieve the look that I was going for, which is more like a fluffy bombshell curl type of look. So to clean up the part, of course, I'm going to go in with some concealer just to emphasize that part. Now, honestly, I thought like the little peekaboo of blonde was going to look crazy as far as the scalp, but actually it looks pretty good. Okay, and this is the final look. I definitely like this look better with a lot of the length taken off, because that 24-inch was just way too much hair for me, girl. So yeah, this was a really cute, quick install. I'll make sure I leave the details on this wig below. This look was actually different for me as far as like the little blonde peekaboo color, but it was a very fun install. So everything will be below in the description bar, and thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you girls in the next one. Bye.